Just kidding. The the laptop was already broken. It was going in the garbage can. No harm, no foul. I was just joking. I'm excited about AP Studio Art this year. I got some cool things planned, and I'm excited to meet all of my new students. So that was all just a joke. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and embed my videos onto your teacher website. That way your students can come and use it as a resource. Obviously not this particular video, but maybe some of the other ones. And when your administrators see it, it kind of looks good. Keep watching for more videos for AP Studio Art or art in general. All right? Thanks for watching. Bye.